The steel industry traces its roots back to the heart of America. Large iron ore deposits in the Great Lakes region and vast deposits of coal in Pennsylvania allowed the United States to become the steel capital of the world for over a century. This coal and iron ore is blasted from the earth to form the raw materials of steel, which is predominantly made up of iron and carbon. These materials then go through a series of heat treatments to form the molten iron and get rid of impurities. Other elements are alloyed into this melt to give the iron its physical properties. The final steel product has defined the infrastructure of America for generations. It has enabled the vast rail system across the country. It has built American icons like the towering Empire State Building, the beautiful St. Louis Arch, and the engineering feat that is the Golden Gate Bridge. The steel industry is also responsible for defining a generation of economic giants like J.P. Morgan and Andrew Carnegie. But steel is constantly evolving. Over the last 20 years, more than 3,500 grades of steel have been commercialized to fit the needs of different applications. Research in metallurgical and material science has allowed ships to sail in corrosive environments thanks to alloyed elements like chromium. The chromium in steel reacts with oxygen to form a protective oxide layer, which prevents the iron from oxidizing and rusting. This steel can be further modified by changing where the atoms in the lattice are located, forming what is called its crystal structure. By heating, cooling, and alloying steel, different structures can be engineered to enhance strength, fatigue, or corrosion properties. Using two of these crystal structures in the same application allows for high strength and easily formable steel, known as dual-phase steel. Advances in alloying have allowed the automobile industry to take advantage of this high-strength, lightweight steel. The future of steel is very much a green one. As the most recycled material in North America, more steel is recycled than paper, aluminum, plastic, and glass combined. Increases in efficiency have reduced the energy consumption and CO2 emissions of the steelmaking process, which translates into enough energy saved to power 20 million homes for an entire year. Steel is not only a green industry, but also a key component in future energy generation and distribution. Developing biomass solutions, generating heat through solar thermal technologies, and high-temperature turbines all require materials, like steel, that can tolerate extreme environments. Likewise, harnessing the power of the wind not only requires strong, lightweight components, but also a system to distribute that high-voltage energy to those who use it. Without a doubt, steel is an integral part to a greener future. If you want to help create a better tomorrow, consider a career in the steel industry today.